Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, an information technology learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube, desktop, PC or laptop. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube, desktop or laptop. Go to your profile picture on upper right corner. Now you will find a option appearance. Click on appearance. Now you will find three options here. One, use device theme, dark theme, and light theme. Now click on dark theme. Look, dark mode is enabled on your YouTube. Now you will find everything in dark. If you want to disable dark mode, that's the same way. Click on your profile picture. Click on appearance. And then click on use device theme. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you. Look, dark mode has been disabled. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.